Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So if your Shopify store needs to sell in a different country, updating your store location and settings ensures accurate taxes, shipping, and currency. This is especially important when expanding into new markets because incorrect location settings can lead to pricing confusion, tax errors, or unexpected shipping issues for your customers. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Settings, then General. Scroll down to the store address section, where your current country is listed. Click to edit and select the new country where you want your store to operate. This address is used by Shopify to determine regional defaults, so make sure it reflects where your business is legally based or primarily operating from. Updating the country automatically adjusts currency, tax calculations, and shipping defaults for that region. For example, your store may switch to the local currency and apply the correct tax rules without any extra setup. Once you've selected the new country, save your changes so these updates take effect across your store. Be aware that some apps or shipping settings may need to be updated to match the new country. Certain apps rely on location-based rules, and shipping zones or carrier rates may need to be reviewed to ensure everything still works correctly. After saving, your Shopify store is updated to the new country settings. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you set up your Shopify store for a new country, make sure to give it a like. It really supports the channel. If you have questions about taxes, shipping, or selling internationally with Shopify, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, beginner-friendly Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.